Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can reprogram your remote control. This is aftermarket remote control. This is Brightstar remote BR100B. Okay, this is the aftermarket, and this is Samsung Smart TV. Okay, all we gotta do is just until you see the red light, you're gonna come over here. You see Samsung right here, 930. Yeah, in it has like 6 codes, but we are gonna use the 930 right here. Okay, we're gonna press 930. Okay, and now we are gonna turn it on, and there you go, off and on. This is an aftermarket remote control, code 930. Yeah, press this one, and then when you see the red light, press 930, and there you have it. This is the original remote, but just in case, right here. All right, thanks for watching.